This is Duncan, and you are about 4.5 months old, growing like a little wee. Grammy's coming in a couple days. Oh, I hear Cody. Here comes Cody. That must mean Daddy's home. And he's smiling. Today we've mastered halfway rolling over. Yes, we have. We've mastered halfway rolling over. There, see? Keep going. Oh, okay. Nice. You're going to be so distracted now because Daddy's home, huh? Show us how you do it. Show us how. What are you doing?
You're supposed to pedal it up the hill.
Milo, what's Daddy hollering about? Hey, Daddy, Mommy's got the video camera out. What are you hollering about? Mommy's videoing you.
Looks like you're stuck.
No, he's been going back and forth from this position to his back and then back. The Daddy? Yeah. 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 What? Oh, come on. How long do you have the video? Yeah. He's gone from this position, which is, that's what I look like when I sleep. Goes from this position over to his back. Oh, maybe if you go walk over. Oh. You want to see Daddy? We have to roll over. Roll back on your back. You can do it. There! Yay! Yay! You're so smart. You're so smart. Yep. Oh, now we're going to roll back over kind of on our belly. Part way. Okay, Duncan. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.